Hi, I'm Masataka Minami from NUProtein. I want to talk about price gap between conventional and cultivated meat. From the inception of the company, 2016, we are focusing on providing low-cost possible cost protein from plant. And we do believe providing disruptive low-cost protein could enable a big paradigm shift to food industry. With low-cost functional protein, cultivated meat reaches cost parity and consequently environmental impact will be reduced and the protein crisis will be mitigated. But the industry is facing some challenges. At this moment, to produce 1 ton of cultivated meat, several functional protein to grow the cell occupy over 6 million Singapore dollar of total production cost. If we overcome this, and the market size would be $20 billion in 2030. So here is a solution to overcome. We can produce the growth factor from plant germ, and we can modify plant gene to produce blood plasma protein such as transferrin in a seed. And estimated production cost would be around just 800 Singapore dollar compared to previous over 6 million Singapore dollar. And we are not alone. Other company is utilizing transgenic barley, and the other is using precision fermentation technologies. But the transgenic rice has 8 times more efficiency than barley, and the functional protein from rice doesn't have allergen, but unfortunately one from precision fermentation does. We are seeing 3 business models. One is just B2B sales of functional protein. Second is licensing transgenic seed with revenue sharing for isolated open field cultivation. The third is we will set up closed vertical farm for the customer and get annual contract to grow the transgenic plant and shipping the functional protein to the customer. And relating to this business model, we are lucky enough to get several tractions such as collaboration agreement with top-tier food manufacturers. And recently, we have entered definite partnership with Singapore-based cultivated unagi company, Minami Meats. Also, we do got several testimonies from industry leaders, such as Dr. Bianca Lee, founder of Turtle Tree, and famous Arie from Wild Type. Also, as a barrier to entry, we already got 4 granted patents. One of them marked the highest score among the other patents from various famous institutes, such as Harvard and MIT. Here is the team. I keep the company small, but we do have top scientists from the globe. As a summary, partnering with the NUProtein brings social and environmental impact for food system and good planet. Thank you very much.